Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making Anzac cookies. It's a delicious cookie based on oats and coconut. So let's start. In a bowl add the oats, coconut, flour and sugar. Mix this together and set aside. In a small saucepan melt the butter and add the honey. You can also use golden syrup if you prefer. Mix 2 tablespoons of boiling water with the baking soda and add this to the butter mixture. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix everything together until a crumbly dough. Roll little balls with your hands and place them on a baking sheet. Bake this in a 160 degrees oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Let them cool on a wire rack. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.